Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on US Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usbank.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official US Bank website. Now from the home page, click on the login section at the top right corner and you will find the button which says create a username and password. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you will be taken into the enrollment page. First of all, you will need to type in your card or your account number that is given to you. So simply enter either one of these credentials and then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you don't have your SSN, click on I don't have a social security number and you will be asked to enter your date of birth instead. After entering either one of these options, click on continue and you will be asked to fill up further information about yourself. You will need to fill up your entire name and your full address as well. You will also need to provide various details about your banking statements and you may need to verify your account using a government issued ID as well. After you provide all of the verification, you will finally be allowed to create your user ID and your password. After creating your user ID and password, your information will be sent for verification. Once it has been verified, your sign-up process will then complete. And once you have been signed up, you can use your newly created username followed by your account password in order to log in to your account on US Bank right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the US Bank or the US Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.